morning, children. How are you today? I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you had a restful night. Today, in our numeracy class, our topic is number value. But we're going to sing a song. So let me see your hands. Wriggle your hands like this. Your fingers, wriggle it, wriggle it, wriggle it, wriggle it, wriggle it. So how many fingers do you have on one hand? Do you know? Some of you will know. And then two hands. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means you have 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. 5 here, 5 here, 10. 10 fingers. Now that brings us back to our topic, number value. When we talk about number value, it's the value of a number. For example, I have some pens in my hand. Pens in my hand. I have a red, a blue, and a green. If I ask you how many pens can you see, you have to count it. You go 1, 2, 3. Mrs. Ayedabon has 3 pens in her hand. Okay. If I say, okay, this is number 1, and I ask for, give me something that is 1. Give me 1 pen. You don't pick 3. You just go and just pick 1. So, 1 pen. And it's represented by number 1. So, 1 pen. Can I draw the pen? 1. I'm trying to draw the pen. Pen. Does it look like a pen? Okay, let's go. Let's say 2 now. 2 balls. I want 2 balls. Can I have 2 balls? And we go drawing the balls. We go 1, 2. How many balls? 2 balls. 1 and 2. 3 now. Let's go to number 3. I want 3 circles. So we go 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. So if I ask for number 4, I want 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cups. Now number 5, I want 5 slippers. Can I draw slippers? Okay, let's try. Let me try. This looks like the slippers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slippers. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this is number 5. Anything now I want, it has to match the number. Whatever object here has to match the number here. That's all about number value. You just bring in objects that matches the number. Bring in objects that matches the number figure. That's all about number value. So I have some work for you to do in your exercise book. I wrote number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I asked that you draw circles. Draw circles to represent each number. So number 1, make sure you count. Make sure you count. Don't just draw. As you're writing, don't just draw. If I'm going to have a circle here. Let's say circles I'm having everywhere here. Let me wipe this object. Now I'm going to have circles here. Number 1. Now I'm going to draw just one circle and I'll count. 1. And I stop. For 2, I go 1, 2. And I stop. 3, 1, 2, 3. And I stop. For number 4, I'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I stop. For number 5, I'll go same. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can you see? Did I draw another circle? No. Once I get to the number that's here, I stop. Is that okay? So that brings us to the end of our lesson on number value. I wait to see you in our next class. Thank you and bye for now.